Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
After months of drama in the wake of Lori Loughlin's reported involvement in the college admissions scandal, her When Calls the Heart co-star Erin Krakow is speaking out about their relationship. Erin has remained mostly mum about Lori and her husband Massimo Giannulli's very public legal battle.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Lori Loughlin was dropped from When Calls the Heart after her alleged involvement in the college admissions scandal. The network took a brief break to cut her out of the show. When it returned in May 2019, star Erin Krakow's character Elizabeth explained Lori's absence with a lengthy message.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
When Calls the Heart returned to Hallmark Channel on Sunday night without Lori Loughlin. It was the first episode to air since Loughlin was fired following her arrest in the nationwide college bribery scandal.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Hallmark hasn't dropped any hints about whether Loughlin will eventually be welcomed back to Hope Valley. But with the actress facing months in prison, she won't be able to return to filming anytime soon.
Take our lead.
The series will resume its sixth season in May. Hallmark Channel has set a return date for When Calls the Heart, minus former star Lori Loughlin. The series has been on hiatus since Loughlin and her husband, designer Massimo Giannulli, were indicted in the college admissions bribery scandal.
Take our lead.
When Calls the Heart Season 6 premiered Sunday night without Lori Loughlin. During the premiere episode, the show's executive producer liked a tweet that suggested Abigail could come back to the show. Fans are making it clear that they want Lori's character back on the Hallmark series.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Private life. Relating to her private life, Erin Krakow has no husband but, nonetheless, it's rumored that she is in a relationship with actor Daniel Lissing, who portrays her boyfriend in When Calls the Coronary Heart.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.